Hey guys, for this one, we're gonna find commission. So commission is the percentage that a person earns based on a sale. So if someone is selling something and you get a percentage of it, you would earn your initial salary, whatever that may be, and then you also earn commission. So basically it encourages the salesperson to sell more because then they make more money, whether it's more items or an item with a bigger cost. So in this case, Alex is paid purely on commission. So sometimes that happens in situations where they only get commissions. They really want to sell because they're not getting any other money. Last month, she sold a car for $45,500, earning 4% commission on the sale. How much was her commission? So we can do this again the two different ways, and I will show you both. To figure it out with a proportion, we're going to set it up and you're going to put your total on the bottom, which goes across from 100, basically thinking that's like your 100%. So then your commission is your part on the top, which goes across from 4%. Cross multiply and divide, so 45,500 times 4, figure out what that equals, then divide it by 100. And we get 1,820. So that is the total amount commission that she will earn on that sale if she gets 4% of the sale price. So the other way to figure that out is change our 4% to a decimal. We move our decimal to the left twice, which becomes 400ths, or think about it as a fraction. 0 and 400ths. So you take your 45,500 times 0.04, and again, we're going to get our same results, 1,820. You can solve them either way with a proportion or the multiplication, but this is the work that is expected on your test and things to show that you understand it, and then you just put it in the calculator to do the calculations. So go ahead and do number 2, and then check the key.